Let me reverse to the beginning first. Like and subscribe, or visit my Patreon if you enjoy my videos. Hello my dear friends, this time I will show you how to make Gundel pancake. Mix all the ingredients listed on the screen, whisk it for a few minutes. Most recipes recommend putting some sugar in it, but rather stay away from it. It just makes it burn easier, and later you can make the filling as sweet as you wish. It should have a very watery consistency, as you can see. Cooking this can actually be tricky. The first pieces tend to stick. Some pans need to be oiled in between frying each pancake, and some don't. You will often need a spatula to flip the pancakes. This is also the most time-consuming part. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cook each piece. And since you want them to be paper thin, there will be a lot of pancakes from a small amount of dough. If you want to learn to flip throw, practice on an ugly half-burnt one after all of them are finished. Flip the same pancake over and over until you are confident. If it didn't land on the floor, you can even eat it. After you fried them, you can fill them with jam or cocoa powder or basically anything. But since this is a cooking show, I will show you a rather unique filling and turn it into a Gundel crepe, as the French say. I also made a basic chocolate sauce and added some extra cocoa powder to keep the dark chocolatey appearance. I hope you will try out this type of pancake. It is easy to make and very versatile. You can fill it with basically anything, even with meat. But that's for another video. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.